Hi guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Soumya and welcome to my channel. So festive season is going on and we have so many occasions to get ready. So for one of the occasion, that is Durga Puja, I have created this look. This is a classic red lips and a wing liner look. It is a simple one but a very glamorous look. So if you want to know how to attain this look, then please watch my video till the end. And if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed to it, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. So guys, I've prepped my skin and I'm directly starting with the face illuminator. Here I'm using a face illuminator from Revlon. This one is in the shade Pink Light. If you don't have a face illuminator, then you can go for a strobe cream. There are a lot of options for strobe cream in the market. I love to use this product because this product gives my skin that pinkish glowy look and I really love it. So starting with my base makeup, I'm using a foundation. This is from Milani. During a festival makeup, it is very important to go for a foundation which stays on your face for a long time. And that's exactly why I love this foundation. This is long wearing and oil free. For blending, I'm using a beauty blender and quickly blending everything up. Well, it was not that quick, of course. Blending everything from my face till my neck so that everything looks even. Now for concealing my under eyes, I'm using a concealer from Maybelline. This is in the shade Sand. I'm using the same concealer to highlight my nose and the area around my mouth. For contouring my face, I'm using this stick from Sugar Cosmetics. It is such a intense contour, you guys. So I like to use it like this in dots because the formula is super smooth and very pigmented. It blends like magic because the formula is super smooth. For contouring my nose, I've taken the same product on a smaller brush and shaping my nose. Here I'm not going all detailed with my base makeup. In case you want to know all the details, then I have made a video on how to do your base. I will put the link in the description box. For setting my face and my under eyes, I'm using a loose powder from Sugar Cosmetics. In order to give more definition to my contour, I am putting some loose powder just beneath the contour line. Trust me guys, this one step really enhances the shape of your face. Now with the help of a fluffy brush, I'm just dusting off the excess powder and setting everything. Moving on to the eyes, I'm using this palette from L'Oreal Paris and picking a rose gold sort of a shimmer shade. I've taken it on a fluffy brush and applying it very casually all over my eyelid just to add some shine on my eyelids. Now I'm taking a liquid liner for creating a wing.
But before that, let's pray and hope that both the wings come in the same shape.
So how I do it, I create a line from my lower lash line towards where my eyebrow is ending and join it to the middle part of my upper eyelid. So like this, we have a wing, but in order to make it sharp, just draw a very thin line in the edges like this. And lastly, create a thin line from the inner corner till the center of your eyelid. And a wing liner is pretty much ready. Now in order to add some color to my eye makeup, I'm taking this green color on an angular brush and I'm going to create another liner over this liner. Here I've taken a dark green color. You can take any color as per your outfit. Repeating the same on the other eye. Next, what I'm doing, I'm creating a wing, like my black wing is inside my green wing. So this is totally an optional step. I just wanted to go do a little experiment and see how it goes, and it's looking kind of nice to me. So like this, I created another wing and joined my outer wing with my lower lash line. Like this, intensify my lower lash line with the same green color. Guys, I'm just going to apply this green color on the half of my lower lash line, like till the center of my lash line. On the rest of the eyelid, I'm going to apply that same rose gold color, and later on I'll intensify it with a highlighter. Now I'm taking a white kajal and applying it on my waterline. So if you have small eyes like me, apply a white kajal or a nude kajal. It really helps in making your eyes look bigger. Next, I'm going to use Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. Next, I'm using this lip and cheek tint from Glitter Mafia. It's an Instagram store, and this cheek tint is just so good, you guys. Like, beautiful cheek tint. Since I'm going to go with red lipstick, so I'm keeping my blusher a little subtle. For my lips, I'm picking this red shade from Blur Cosmetics. Its name is very sassy. It says, "Put me on your lips, not on your lying ex." Well, I will come up with a full review of these lipsticks. I've ordered some time back and they are just so beautiful. I'm totally loving this color. It's a perfect festive red. And finally, moving on to my favorite part, highlighter. Applying it on the high points of my face like this. By the way, this highlighter is from Wet n Wild. All the products that I have used, I will put the details in the description box. And with that, our makeup is done. I will quickly go off camera, apply eyelashes, bindi, and put on some accessories and see you guys. And this is how the final look looks like. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, then please don't forget to like, comment, share, and above all subscribe to my channel. Bye.